Okay, it's John here, and we are moving on to Clojure Koans number 11 about sequence comprehensions. So let's get started. Sequence comprehensions can bind each element in turn to a symbol. Alright, so here we have 4 x in the range 6, so range 6 will return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in our for sequence comprehension we will be just using x. So this thing will build us a list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's evaluate that, and that is true. Okay, they can easily emulate mapping. So here we have, we're going to map the function, the square of function over the range 6, or we can do 4x, we'll just multiply x times x and return it, and that should be the same thing. And it is. Okay, and also for filtering. Okay, so here we say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is the result when you do filter odd in the range of 10, so 0 through 9, those are the odd values. Okay, and here we'll do the same thing. We'll do the range 10. So 4x in the range of 10. When it's odd, then give us the x, otherwise skip it basically, and then if we're going to use it, then return it, and that'll make our list out of it. Okay, and that is true. Combinations of these transformations is trivial. Okay, so we have map of the function square. We're going to filter with our predicate odd over 0 through 9. In the for case, we will do said odd x, and look at that anonymous function times, well, we don't need that, we don't need a function, we just need to do it. Okay, so for x in the range 0 through 9, if it's odd, then we're gonna square it and then return it. So then we'll build a list out of all that. Oops, we have a syntax error. What did we do wrong? Oh, I deleted a parenthesis. There we go. And that returns true. Okay, what is this big mess? More complex transformations simply take multiple binding forms. So we have top left, top middle, top right, middle left, middle. Okay, so basically it just wants to enumerate all the permutations of top, middle, bottom, and left, middle, right. So all we want to do is return the row column pair as a vector, and then we will end up with I think it will end up with a list of vectors, but It should still turn out okay because the vector and the list will still compare the same way. So let's try that. That's also true. And just to see whether that actually made a list and not a vector, let's just run that down here in the REPL. One extra parenthesis here. Right, yeah, it's actually a list, but they showed it here as a vector, but that's fine. They are still equal to each other. Okay, that wraps up Clojure Koans number 11, sequence comprehensions. Thanks for watching.